Well, student, this example number 24, it is to be related to it is a uniformly charged infinite plane sheet. There are two plates. First plate is positively charged. Due to this first plate, positively charged plate, electric field is away from the plate. That is E1, E1, E1. Due to this negatively charged plate, electric field is towards the plate. That is E2. Now you can observe that between the two plates, electric field in same direction. But outside the plate, they are in which direction? Opposite direction. So that the resultant electric field between the two plates, it is E1 plus E2. E1 means electric field due to charged plate, sigma by 2 epsilon 0, and similarly for the E2 is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So that between the two plates, electric field is sigma by epsilon 0. But outside the plate, opposite to each other, direction of the electric field. So that you write down E1 minus E2. Again same equation, sigma by 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Outside the plate, electric field is 0. Outside the plate, the electric field is 0. Now your next example number 24, it is related to this one. Already we studied in our theory, in additional cases, some extra cases. When the question of the example number 24, it is to be like this. Two large thin metal plates are parallel and close to each other. On their inner faces, the plates have the surface charge densities of opposite sign. Surface charge density of opposite sign means what? Positive surface charge density and negative surface charge density. Okay, and of magnitude 17 into 10 to minus 22 coulomb per meter square. What is electric field to the left plate of the plates and to the right of the plate and between the plates? Total there are three questions. Electric field on the left side of the plate, first plate. Electric field on the right side of the second plate. And electric field between the plates. There are three questions. Okay. So when sigma is given 17 into 10 to minus 22 coulomb per meter square. Whereas to the first question, electric field on the left hand side of the first plate. In the outer region of the first plate, electric field of the two plates are equal and opposite. So the electric field on the left hand side of the first plate is 0. So there is same answer. On the outer region of the second plate, the field of the two plates are equal and opposite. Again the answer is 0. Now on the left hand side of the first plate E0, on the right hand side of the second plate E is 0. Now the electric field between the plates, that is in the same direction. So the resultant electric field that is given by E1 plus E2, where E1 is sigma by 2 epsilon 0, E2 is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Therefore the next answer is sigma by epsilon 0. Between the plate electric field is sigma by epsilon 0, sigma given, epsilon 0 we know very well. Therefore sigma is equal to 17 into 10 to minus 22 and epsilon 0 is equal to 8.854 into 10 to minus 12. By calculating them, your answer will be 1.92 into 10 to minus 10 Newton per coulomb. Okay, now the example number 24 is completed. Now there is one additional example from your exercise. There is an example number 1.25. Example number 1.25. Well, the question of the example number 1.25 is like this. An oil drops of 12 excess electron. There is a 12 excess electron. It shows the number of electron. Means is held stationary under a constant electric field 2.55 into 10 to 4 volt per meter. In milliton oil drop experiment, density of the oil is 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. Estimate the radius of drop. Small g is equal to 9.81 and E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to minus 19. As shown in this example, it is related to the Millikan's oil drop model. In this Millikan's oil drop model, there is an electric field into that field there is a one drop, oil drop. That oil drop attains the equilibrium. Electric force acting in a downward direction and force acting in an upward direction, it is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So that drop it is attains equilibrium. Attains the what? Equilibrium. When number of electrons are 12, electric field it is 2.55 into 10 to 4 Newton per coulomb. Density of the oil is given 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. Convert into kilogram per meter cube multiply 10 to 3. To convert gram per centimeter cube to the kilogram meter cube multiply 10 to 3. So that 1.26 into 10 to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Value of the small g given 9.81 Value of E we know very well, 1.6 10 to minus 19 coulomb. Estimate the radius of the drop. Student, observe this diagram. This is our old drop. Gravitational force acting in a downward direction, mg, and the electric force acting on the drop in a upward direction, QE. These two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Therefore, this whole drop attains over equilibrium and means to remain stable, neither performing motion in downward direction nor performing motion in upward direction. It is already explained. In equilibrium, force due to gravity is equal to force due to electric field. Force due to gravity is equal to force due to electric field. So that mg is equal to QE. So that mg is equal to what QE. Now next step, student. Mass can be replaced by density into volume into g. Charge Q is what Ne into capital E. But that equation that is going to mass by volume can be used and Q Ne can be used. Volume of the oil drop is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Rho as it is, G as it is, and Ne into E. Now please we recall the radius R, make a subject of R cube. This all the quantities will be going in division. So that by making a subject of R cube is equal to 3 Ne into E divided by 4 pi rho R divided by 4 pi rho into G. See, this is the answer of the R cube. We record only R. This Q is going on the right side, raised to 1 by 3. Is going to go raised to 1 by 3. A simple substitute their values. Where 3 as it is. Number of electrons 12. Charge on electron 1.6 10 to minus 19. Value of E 2.55 into 10 to 4. 4 pi as it is. Density rho 1.26 into 10 to 3. G is equal to 9.81 and whole raised to 1 by 3. Well, student, 10 to 3 and 10 to 4. This is cancelled, only 10 remain. 10 and 10 to minus 19, the 10 to minus 18 remain. By calculating all these values, your answer will be 0.946 into 10 to minus 18, whole raised to 1 by 3. Minus 18 by 3, minus 6. 0.946 cube root, answer is 0.981. Now please displace the decimal, shift the decimal, 9.81 into 10 to minus 7 meter. So that you can write down 9.81 into 10 to minus 4 and minus 3. Remove minus 3, it is in millimeter. So the radius of the oil drop is 9.81 into 10 to minus 4 millimeter. It is just a simple calculation that you can do it with yourself also. Okay? Now this example number 25 it is also completed.